Welcome to How to Play Rolling Thunder. To play, you'll need 6 dice, 2 or more players, and pen and paper. The object of Rolling Thunder is to be the last player standing. Each time you roll the dice, you are hoping for at least one 1. If you don't roll a 1, a piece of your storm cloud gets drawn. Once your cloud is full and you still don't roll a 1, lightning strikes and you're out of the game. To get started, each player will need a score tracker. You can keep it simple by grabbing a sheet of paper and drawing a stick figure to represent each player. Or if you want something ready to go, I've created these printable scorecards with a stick figure and a cloud outline to track your progress. You can find these linked below. To decide who goes first, have each player roll 1 die. The lowest roll takes the first turn. Diana will go first in this game. Diana starts the game by rolling all 6 dice. Any ones rolled are kept by the roller. All other dice are passed clockwise left. Play moves to Peter, who will roll the 4 dice passed. If you don't roll any ones on your turn, you'll need to trace one of the 6 segments of your storm cloud on your scorecard. Then you will pass all the dice to the next player. Players will continue to take turns rolling and filling in their cloud when needed. When play returns to a player who has saved dice, those dice get rolled with the passed dice. Any new ones rolled are saved, and all other dice are passed again. If a player has a fully drawn cloud and fails to roll a 1 on their turn, lightning strikes, and that player is out of the game. The last player remaining in the game is the winner. Peter wins this game. If all dice currently in play come up as 1s, it triggers a reset. When this happens, all 6 dice go back into play, and the next player starts fresh with a full roll of 6 dice. If you enjoyed learning how to play Rolling Thunder, and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.